Welcome back, everybody. So, as you know for a long time, I've had a beard since I've started doing this whole YouTube thing. But I do suffer from napidosis of the fasciitis. So my beard's kind of tingly, for lack of a better words. Yes, nappy. So I used to get a lot of shaving up. So this is actually a kill off of both. So what I do is I relax my beard. I know some of you guys do it, so don't act like this is a new thing. But I actually relax my beard for detanglement and mostly to get rid of the bumps right up in there. So the first thing you're gonna need is a relaxer kit. I think this is Smooth Touch by Pink. I've used just for me as well, so you can use any kind. I think you should follow the skin tone on the box. Just an FYI. First, for other people watching this video. Wink, wink. All right. 2, you're gonna need an assistant. So you have Jessica here. She's not camera worthy at the moment. Kind of picked her up, out of the bed for this because I need to get this done. So without further ado, I'm now gonna sit there and ramble. So we're gonna get started. So, these things are. What is this?
That's the relaxer. I'm just gonna comb
This is the relaxer. First, you're just gonna comb it up.
with the wide tooth comb.
Yes. You apply the activator or the relaxer on. And they have these things in steps, by the way. Each little bag has like a 1, 2, 3 step. And I think the first step is add the activator and mix it with the orange stuff. I think whatever the orange stuff is called.
And I usually don't put the relaxer on the front until last, just because that part is less textured.
Yes.
So I don't want that part to get straight too fast. And I don't apply it to the skin, I just put it on the hair. This is wonky. That way I should have combed her.
Alright guys, welcome back. So, it's been sitting for 15-20 minutes now. And you can see it's getting a little long and straight. Now, we gotta go wash this thing off. And I ain't taking this in the bathroom, so. We'll be right back after we wash this off and just show you what does be the final result after.
So we're gonna wash this out with the neutralizing shampoo, gonna condition it, and then we'll come and show you the final results.
What you said. So guys, as you can see that I am done. Hair is relaxed. And it's time for a comb test. Let's see. Well, it has conditioner on it, but still. Comb test, like no knots, anything from the bottom, nothing. Everything just flows well. So, it adds a lot of length to it. Look at this, from the bottom to the side. Oh, like, seriously. But I mean, you can, if you like that, go ahead. I'm gonna groom it probably later on this week, maybe today. I'm feeling kind of tired now, so like, well, I feel kind of lazy right now, so I'm not gonna do it. But yeah, this helps prevent razor bumps for me, and hopefully it can help whoever else out. Relaxing isn't easy. It may seem easy, but it's not. But this is the end of the video. Just hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good night and Happy New Year still to people that are just tuning in. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Later.